Yes, people, welcome to the weekend show again. Do remember to like, subscribe, and share. Share. Punch the thumbs up and thumbs up. All if a thumbs down, do the thumbs down, because I don't know a certain thing about I don't know, so my thumbs down not going, because a good thing we are going. Right now, the brother can dance about bad people. Me not lie. Me have to mute the record and the music, because we don't own the copyright to that music. You understand? For real people, the man full of moves, I'm if to tell you. The amount of moves the man have on some skank, and them 90 skank there. You understand? The bad man skank. You know me I say people, you know they enjoy the look of dancing moves. You can practice them dance again, because better dance them dancing. But people, when I really come for show now, is this. You see the image you see in people, that's my new release, the Blindfold Riddim. Will be released tomorrow, July 2nd, yeah? So I want to Google it, search it, buy it, support it. I don't know, young producer, young artist coming up, so just support it. But right now, people, the next thing I want to show you is this. The soldier run off on the road today. Check this out. Yes, people, I don't know what happened to the soldier Jeep. If it's a mechanical defect or if the soldier did have two booze or what happened. But boy, I mean, I know that don't look right. The Jeep just veer off. I mean, I know in them time, I know there's a be a spiritual thing I go on. I don't know if them involved in a nothing and Ray. You see me as the people call it up to them at work, you know. You see me I say, but yeah, I don't think of that still. But I don't know, that's a going on a joke still, people. But here we go on. Hope the soldier alright and everything good. But you see the beach when I see that picture, people, I said beach when I did it last week. A little before the beach when I see the soldier crash and run off on the road. So I pass through the place, so I know exactly where the soldier run off on the road. But people, them rescue the Jeep and take it out of the water, so I want to show you how them rescue the Jeep. I don't know if them rescue the soldier too, but watch the video, people, because you don't know.
This is the boys are running through it, eh? Go for them. see you, man.
Yes, people, as you can see, they spend a lot of effort for make sure them take government vehicle out of the water, because you know government vehicle thing go. Government have to know where money go and things, so they not left government vehicle in the water, you understand? So you see how they roll out the armada to get out government vehicle out of the water. But you know what the soldier alright, as me say, and people, if you like the video, do remember to like, subscribe and share. Yeah? Until next time, people, enjoy yourself, have a good weekend. It's a weekend show. So see you rest of the video.
What kid here, man? Where are you?